Okay, today we are going to do 6 problems together to just get you ready for your quiz tomorrow. So first off, I know it says graph the functions and they're not there for you, but I'm going to write them in. So the first one is f of x equals negative x minus 3. And that's when x is less than negative 1. And the other line is 2x plus 2. And that's if x is greater than or equal to negative 1. So what I would like for you to do now is write this down, and then I want you to pause it and do this on your own. This is why it's review. If you just copy it down, you're not going to learn anything. So go ahead and pause it and try it on your own. Okay, the first line, you start at negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and slope tells me to go down 1 over 1. Okay, and then the inequality tells me I need an open circle at negative 1, so that goes right there. And I keep what's on the left, get rid of what's on the right. Okay, other line, start at 2, 1, 2. Slope tells me to go up 2 over 1. Don't forget your arrows. And then close the circle at negative 1, which is about there, and get rid of everything to the left of that on that line. Okay, and hopefully you got something like that for number 1. Let's look at number 2. This is going to be f of x equals 3x plus 1 and that's when x is less than or equal to 0, and 1/2 x plus 2, and that's if x is greater than 0. So go ahead and pause it and try it on your own. Okay, for the first line you start at 1, and then you go up 3 over 1. Okay, put the arrows, and then it says if x is less than or equal to 0. So I need a solid dot at 0, which I already have, and I'm keeping what's on the left, so get rid of on the right. You might want to make that circle a little bit larger, like on your quiz and stuff, I would make it larger. That makes grading easier for me. The other one, you start at 2, go up 1 over 2. Okay, and the inequality tells me I need an open circle at 0. I already have a closed one there, so I am going to erase it and put in an open one. If my pen will work. Okay, and I keep what's on the right, get rid of the left. Okay, hopefully your graph looks something like that. Now, the next two are going to have 3 in them. Okay, let's go down to number 3. And this is f of x equals, first line is going to be 3x plus 4. The next one, well, let me do the inequality. If x is less than or equal to negative 2, the next one is 1/2 x, and that's when x is between 2 or negative 2 and 2. And the last line is negative x plus 2. and that's when x is greater than 2. Okay, so write these down and then go ahead and pause it so you can try it on your own. Okay, first one, you start at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then go up 3 over 1. The inequality tells me I need a closed circle at -2. That is 1, 2, so that's right there. And I get rid of everything on the right. Okay, whoops, sorry, you can't see that. Next one, 1/2 x, you start at 0, 0, go up 1 over 2. And this one I need 2 circles on. I need to open at -2. So open right there. And a closed at 2, which I already have. I'm just going to make it a little bit larger. Keep what's in between the 2 dots and get rid of what's on the outside. Okay, and our last line, start at 2, and it says go down 1 over 1. I need an open circle at 2, which is about there, and get rid of everything on the left. Okay, and that is your graph for number 3. Okay, next one is 3 of them. And this is f of x equals, first line is x minus 2, and that's when x is less than -1. The next one is just -1. And that's when, let's see, it's between -1 and 1. And the last line is 2x minus 2. And that's when x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, go ahead and pause it and try it on your own. That's how you learn. Okay, first line, the y-intercept is -2. And slope tells me to go up 1 over 1. And I need an open circle at -1. And I keep what's on the left. Okay, next one is just the line -1. So you should just have a straight line across. And that's, let's see, you need a dot at -1, and that one's closed. And you need an open one at 1. Sorry, I don't know if that looks open or not. Hang on. Okay, so keep what's between the 2 dots. And erase what's on the outside. Hopefully you can kind of see that line between them there. I'll try and make it darker here. And the last line, you start at -2, go up 2 over 1. And you need a closed circle at 1, which I already have, and I need to get rid of everything on the left. Okay, so hopefully your graph looked something like that. If it didn't, you can call me over. I will come help you. Okay, let's go to the back. And you've got a couple back there to do. Okay, these are where you have to find the rules. So let's see, for this one, I'm first going to find the slope. I'm not going to do the formula for this one. I'm just going to say it starts here, it goes up 2 over 1. So I know the slope here is 2. So f of x equals, I know for the first line here, it's 2x. I just need to figure out where it goes through the y-intercept, which I'm going to go up 2 over 1 again, and that's 0. So my line right there is just 2x. And my inequality tells me that it is x is less than or equal to -1. And if you'd like me to show you how to do the slope formula again, just call me over. I'll be happy to show you. This line right here is a straight line that's going to be straight across. It's just a number. That's 1. And the inequality for that one is, let's see, that's -1 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 2. And the last one here, I go up 1 over 2, so I know my slope is 1/2 x. If I go down 1 over 2, that gets me to the y-intercept, or the y-axis, 1, 2. So it's 1/2 x plus 2, and my inequality is x is greater than 2. Okay, you can go ahead and pause it and try, well, actually, here, first find f of -4, f of -1, f of 2, and f of 0. Sorry, let me scoot that up. So find those values real quick, so pause it and find it. Okay, so here are my answers. I got -8. It's about -8. The ones that will be on your quiz will be for sure an exact number. So I got -8, -2, 1, and 0. If you didn't get those numbers, call me over. I can help. Or look at the graph, see if you made a mistake. Let's do this last one real quick. I'm running out of time. This is just 2 lines. And this one looks like it goes up 1 over 1. So it's just x minus the y-intercept is -2. So x minus 2. And my inequality there is x is less than or equal to 1. And this other line here looks like it's going down 2 over 1. So I'm going to go up 2 over 1 to find the y-intercept. So what did I say? Down 2 over 1. So that's -2x plus the y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's when x is greater than 1. And I'm just going to have you find 3 of them here. F of 0, f of 1, f of -1. So go ahead and pause it and try those real quick. Okay, f of 0 is -2, f of 1 is -1, and f of -1 looks like it's about -3. Okay, so that is your review for the quiz. You need to study tonight and hopefully do well on your quiz tomorrow.